Flag! Holy shit! Oh my god! I got him!
Play the fish.
It's a pike.
Yeah, no shit. What is this on? Hot dog or what?
Hot dog.
Nice.
Leader on there too.
Nice.
Holy shit!
Yep, just play this fish. Hold on! Why would you do that, Gavin? Drive a hook through my finger.
That's what I was gonna say, let go!
No, I was just gonna grab him. Like a normal human being. Where do you got players?
Blue bucket.